We got to take the people along for the ride. We're going to pick up a Top Fuel bike.
Sweet. What, everything's good in the trailer?
Yeah.
Allegedly?
Allegedly. Hey guys, welcome back. Monday here. Stopped by the shop, grabbed the truck and trailer. We are headed to pick up the Top Fuel Harley. So I thought you guys might enjoy a little ride along. Tom's going with me. We're going to shoot up to Port St. Lucie, Florida. It's about 60 miles north of us. And check this bike out and drag it home. So that's it. Nothing crazy, but thought you guys might enjoy seeing the first glimpse of this bike when we do. Alright guys, here it is. Alright guys, so we're walking in here. We're going to get our first glimpse of this bike. And there you have it. My first glimpse. It's actually a lot cleaner and nicer than I was expecting. Bike that's been sitting around for 30 years. You just never know.
Matt.
Yeah.
And those wheelie bars aren't for this bike, but I'm never going to use them, so. They're like on the sports or something else.
Yeah, I don't know that I'll ever actually ride it, but I'm going to get it running.
Yeah, no,
you know?
Yeah. That's like, oh yeah, but you know what, I want to do the whole thing. I'm going, man, I'm going to I probably got like $6,500 to get this right now. And
oh yeah,
you just going to go upside down from here for it'd take me a year to do it.
Way upside down.
Yeah, it'd take me a year to do it. That's what I told him when I got it, you know.
How's that bastard going to push it? He's
I
going to roll it all the way out here on that dolly, I guess, right?
Well, I don't know. I think it won't roll, but.
What you do, broke it? Oh well, yeah. Get around with it.
If you want, we can each grab a handlebar and we can kick that thing out from underneath it. Should roll out for you.
Want me to film or help push?
Nah, I'm good.
Is it recording too?
Yeah, it's recording.
Drag bike going home. Some for John to work on Sundays and Mondays instead of sitting at the house eating sweets. In order and delivery. Need me?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to lift the door. Yeah.
All right, ready? You got it?
Yep. I've done this before.
Yeah.
And there's been times where you haven't done it before because the rim trim is ripped off.
That was a car.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I'll grab that start.
Got John's Sunday and Monday project loaded up. Instead of sitting around ordering food all day and spending $300 to eat on Sunday and Monday.
Yeah, I'll spend $300 on this, right?
Oh, maybe 3,000.
3,000.
3,000 a weekend. 7-second Harley Davidson right here.
I bet not.
Well, I got to throw that in for flair, John. Come on. 172 cubic inch.
Do you know how fast this guy went on this thing?
I think he said it was like high sevens or.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nailed it. You know how many cubic inch it is?
I know it's got a 3.865 bore and a 4 7/8 stroke.
Oh, 4 7/8. Holy cow, that's long as shit.
Yeah. Your wife took it to regular rods. He said, I believe they're 4 7/8 strokes.
Yeah.
Have to figure out that math calculation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's big, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure. Didn't want this flopping around.
Yeah.
And that's the extra one. Okay, just lay this down. But that's a Ford 6.0 diesel starter.
Okay.
So.
Oh, that ought to do it.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's your last pickup of the day?
Those live in here.
Oh, do they? Huh? Keep them out of the way, right?
We had to unload bikes, so I had somewhere to put that. Too much shit.
It's low though, man. That bike is just, it's so cool.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Yeah, it'll be a neat piece when it's done.
Sit on it.
I'd like to do a launch on it.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I said,
I'd like to launch it. I'll launch it a couple times. There you go. Steel toe boots are ready to go.
You better.
I don't know about the lever throttle. I don't know if I could ever get used to
I like that. I like the lever from riding three-wheelers.
He said that way he kept his hands, you could do one finger.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it
Yeah.
makes sense. I just,
Yeah.
it's so counterintuitive
Unusual,
to, you know, but.
Hey, wide, from nothing to wide open instantly. That's all you need to worry about.
Never gave me a chance to ride it.
Don't got training wheels on, man.
I'd rather sit on it.
Here you go, John. I don't know how to shut it off.
Sound like your dad.
I'd rather the fuck out of it, dude. If you got motor and wheels, I'm down.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, right? Absolutely.
Motor, wheels, and we'll hold me.
How are you going to ride that watch? You know? Or how are you going to drive that watch?
That's how I am.
Yeah, get in it and go.
I've been on fast bikes, fast cars. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Put me on it.
How are you going to drive that watch?
I ride it just how I am, too.
Yeah, exactly. I don't care.
Yeah, those Crocs might be a problem on that bike.
Yeah.
Because your feet are on the ground.
Steel toe boots on that one. Just drag the
That's good.
steel
You sure you don't
toes.
want something cold to drink? I got ice cold waters in the
I'm
fridge,
good. I
man.
appreciate it, man.
All right.
I'll have a water.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
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 That is awesome.
Found the B&J Trans.
From wide open to
Well,
off.
it went wide.
The hell?
It went wide open when.
Z28.
I know. Did you see the mullet on that guy?
I did not. Did he have a mullet? Perfect.
It looked like it. It was
Freaking
like,
awesome.
yeah, it's like straight out of 1988 or whenever that thing was
Perfect.
made. That might be a
Perfect.
78 actually, huh? I don't know all those.
It's early. It's early 80s.
Yeah. Dang, I wish I could get up next to him now. That was great.
I know.
You found the B&J transmissions?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a 2-speed. I think it changes gears automatic, I believe.
Yeah. The air.
No, like maybe just speed
Oh, centrifugal.
or something. I don't know. I think it's an air clutch of sorts. I don't know. Well, I'll have to text him. I'll text him anyway because I want to get that guy's contact info. The original builder.
Yeah. The old guy.
No. That's the frame builder. The actual the guy who built the bike and rode it and raced it.
Oh boy.
What do you think?
About?
The bike.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's cool.
Yeah.
I just don't. That's where my thought process stops.
That's it?
Yeah.
Did you calculate how many cubic inches it is
I
yet?
don't know how to calculate that shit.
Go on your phone and find the calculate the volume of a cylinder.
I want to calculate the volume of a cylinder.
To find the volume of a right cylinder, multiply pi by the radius squared by the height.
Okay, so you're gonna go
Radius.
radius. What do you say?
3 1/8.
No, 3.865, I think. All right, hang on. 3.865 divided by 2. 57 times 2. 114 cubic inches.
Okay.
That could be about right.
Yeah, probably so.
Yeah. I mean, the thing was built in the 80s,
Yeah.
so
That was huge in the 80s.
yeah. Although John Harmon had already built a 120 cubic inch shovel head by then. That he rode around on the street, I think.
Oh, did he really?
Yeah, I don't know how well they held together, but
Did he make the cylinders?
I don't know.
Use somebody else's heads?
No, they had shovel heads. They just reworked them. I don't know what he did for cylinders. Might have just bored them out real big and re-sleeved them.
Well, that went.
And then a big, super long stroke, probably.
Yeah, because where did that go? That was what was that?
Well, they had 80-inch shovels, so it went from 80. It was 50% larger.
So that'd be 1340.
Yeah, 1340 divided by 2.
Yeah.
Is like 660. Was it 650? 675.
Yeah.
So 675 plus 1340.
So it was 2,000 cc's.
19. Yeah.
Yeah.
1900 and change cc's.
Yeah. So it was like
All right, guys, that's it. Back to the shop. Got the truck and trailer stowed away. Didn't unload the bike yet. Honestly, I'm not really sure where it's going to go. Might possibly try to get it up here in the front room so we can work on it in here. Obviously, this is going to be a kind of a real long-term project. The downside is I don't like filming in the front room as much. It doesn't give us as much leeway for cameras and stuff. So, anyway, we're going to figure that out. I will probably leave it in the trailer until I get back from my surgery. I have surgery a week from Wednesday. Going to be out of commission for a little while. So, we'll figure that out, I guess, in the next day or two, because the trailer's just kind of stuck in the middle of our lot, and I have to put it away. So, we'll get that figured out here, and hopefully maybe this Saturday we'll get to start our, start working on it a little bit, tearing into it, and seeing what we can learn. So that's where we're at. Appreciate you guys being here as always, and we hope to see you next time at Gattis Garage.